At the end of this unit, you're going to be creating a website for an imaginary business that you create. There'll be more details about that to come, but the website is just one web page you're going to create, and it's going to focus on everything you've learned through this unit about color, font, texture, lines, shape, movement, and all the items that are discussed. This is a pretty fun activity, and it helps you become more familiar with color and some of the web pages out there that will help you choose color. So if you look at this page, the first one is called Page Tutor, and it's nice because it gives you a preview of what your page will look like. So here is this website, and right now it's just a white background with black text, and it has these colors for the links. If we come over here to the left, we can choose different colors. So let's choose let's say you want to do a blue text. Notice how it changed the text to blue. And you want to do a light gray background. Okay. And so it changes it, and you can see everything is looking pretty good so far. And if you wanted to, you could change the visited link to, let's go that dark red hover. You can have like a green. And so when you hover over a link, notice how it changes to green. And let's say we like those colors. If we scroll down a little bit, it gives you the code you need to put in for a style. Remember we talked about styles last time. And if you look at it, it has your background color, then it has your text color, and it has your links. You go all the way down, you can see the links. Or you can put it in as part of the body tag. And again, we have background, text, link, v-link, and a-link. And it gives you all the code, and all you have to do is copy and paste this into your HTML code. So it's a pretty good page to know about. This next page is called Well Styled Workshop, and this allows you to choose colors. Let's go check it out. Alright, so this is a pretty cool site, and right now it's on mono. If we want to do complementary colors, notice it's already chosen red. We can drag this over, and if you look, we have the complementary color. It's this yellow, and if you look over here, it gives you the hexadecimal code, and down here has a complementary color. We have shades or accent colors you could use in your website. The other cool thing is, if you notice up here, we have this tab called Colorblind. And you look down, and let's say you look at it, and it'll show you what it looks like for a colorblind person. Now you notice it just changes just a little bit, and you notice how sometimes it's harder to differentiate between these two. So I'd encourage you to go to this site and play around, and so somebody that's fully colorblind, this is what they would see. And so let's go back to normal vision. Alright, now with this site, if you click up here on export and click HTML, it gives you all the codes you need for these colors. So you choose the ones you want, and notice it has the complementary color below it. Okay, and it has the different shades over here. So this would be a good website to get some more colors and the HTML code for the colors, the hexadecimal code right here. Alright, let's go check out the color schemer online. I talked about this in the PowerPoint, but you can choose any color down here, and it puts it up here, and then it has the complementary over here, and it has all these colors in between, and you can choose the hexadecimal code for that. So it gives you a good starting point for choosing your colors for a website. If we look at the toolbox over here, say you just want the blue, it has the code for it right here. You can copy and paste, and then it also gives you a what they call a swatch, and it has colors that would go well with this blue. And if you click on that, this is what you get, and you can choose different themes as well. And here's another site. You can use the color wheel, and just by hovering over it, it puts the color over here, and then it gives you the complementary color. And so you can have the yellow, and it gives you the web safe color. And notice when I hover, so if I click on this, if you see below, it'll tell you the web safe and the unsafe. You see how it changes down there below. But when I select that color, it'll put it over here, and it gives you the web safe color. And so you can see the unsafe color and the web safe. And you can't really see much difference between these, but I'm sure there is on a monitor. So go ahead and look through these websites and determine the colors you want for your website that you're going to make. And then simply someplace, you don't have to turn it in, but think about the business type you're going to have. It could be selling CDs, it could be any business that you can think of. Think of the background color you want, the text color, link color, visited link, and think about some accent colors you want. And just have those written down so when you start your website you can you know what colors you want and which will represent your site well. Please feel free to ask me if you have any questions.